Enjoy a full camp kitchen with the BioLite Camp Stove Complete Cook Kit. Featuring the wood-burning CampStove2 Plus, kettle pot, portable grill, coffee press, and Chroma Reel LED flex light, you can cook, boil, and grill with this fully integrated system. Turn fire into electricity with the CampStove's flagship thermoelectric technology and infuse wood-fired flavors into your backcountry meals. Brew coffee, saute, or boil with the kettle pot, which also doubles as a carrying case for your stove. The grill cooks quick and packs up flat with an included travel cover. Use the included flex light to illuminate your cooktop at night with accurate color render technology. Expand your outdoor cooking with the Camp Stove Complete Cook Kit.